Prepare to be amazed. 10 mind-blowing facts that defy explanation. The longest time between two twins being born is 87 days. Twins Amy and Katie from Ireland were incredibly born 87 days apart. Mum Maria went into labor 4 months early, giving birth to Amy, but Katie did not arrive until 3 months later. There is a species of jellyfish known as Turritopsis dohrni, or the immortal jellyfish, that can revert back to its juvenile form after reaching maturity, effectively making it biologically immortal. This process, called transdifferentiation, allows the jellyfish to effectively reset its life cycle and start over again. The human body is continually undergoing cell turnover, with cells dying and being replaced constantly. It's estimated that millions of cells in your body die and are replaced every second. This process is essential for maintaining and repairing tissues and organs throughout your life. If you shuffle a deck of cards, it is very likely that the resulting order has never existed before in the history of the universe. There are 52 factorial possible permutations. To put that in perspective, that's many orders of magnitude greater than the estimated number of atoms in the observable universe. A teaspoonful of a neutron star would weigh about 6 billion tons. Neutron stars are incredibly dense objects formed from the remnants of massive stars that have undergone a supernova explosion. The core of a neutron star is composed almost entirely of neutrons, tightly packed together. Honeybees can recognize human faces. Research has shown that honeybees can learn to associate human faces with positive or negative experiences. For example, they can be trained to recognize a human face as a source of reward, such as receiving sugar water, or as a source of punishment, such as receiving a mild shock. The average cloud weighs about 1.1 million pounds. The weight of a cloud is distributed over a large volume of air, and the actual mass of a cloud is relatively small compared to the overall mass of the Earth's atmosphere. However, it's important to understand that clouds are made up of tiny water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the air, and their weight can vary significantly depending on their size, density, and altitude. The world's smallest mammal is the bumblebee bat, which weighs less than a penny. Adult bumblebee bats have a wingspan of about 5.7 inches and weigh approximately 2 grams, which is less than the weight of a US penny. These tiny bats are found in parts of Southeast Asia, including Thailand and Myanmar, and they primarily feed on small insects. Every 2 minutes, we take more pictures than all of humanity did in the 19th century. In the 19th century, photography was a relatively new and time-consuming process, often requiring long exposure times and specialized equipment. This limited the number of photographs that could be taken during that period. The probability of you drinking a glass of water that contains a molecule of water that also passed through a dinosaur is almost 100%. Water molecules on Earth have been cycling through various natural processes for billions of years, including evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and groundwater flow. Some water molecules that exist today have indeed been around for a very long time and may have interacted with various life forms, including dinosaurs, as they moved through these natural processes. Subscribe for more videos like this.